I'm ready. Getting on the tram.
Hello there. This is fun.
Looks like we're on a bus. So it looks like we've come onto a bus, but we haven't. It's a tram. That's a bus. This tram. Look, there's one. There's one behind. Look, here we go. They're like really, really thin double-decker buses. And they're like, they've got to be the cheapest way to get around. Like literally 30p. It works out at $22.60, which is about 30p or 30 cents. But that's so cool. Look, here's another one.
Maybe we just cruise around in the tram all day today.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Just stay on it and see where we're going to end up. I'm dying to register.
Definitely my favourite way to get out. So. Listen to that.
Oh no, there's a pink one.
Yeah. Thank you. You know the coffee's going to be good. It takes 10 minutes to make it. Ceramic pot. Ceramic jug.
Is it nice? And here's the food finally. I got some avocado chorizo and poached egg and sourdough, and he's going for the full brekkie. Alright, here we go. 2 empty plates, but also 2 happy faces. One that's not paying attention. How's your breakfast?
So good.
Mine's good, mine is amazing. So much happier right now than before.
It's gonna be me that finds a better way. Feeling is strong, I'm getting right out of here, the weight's on. Do you like the way she moves? Something better.
So we just stopped briefly on this pedestrian street, and I don't know where I am anymore. It doesn't seem like Hong Kong, it seems like France or some...
I said it's like Carnaby Street because essentially Carnaby Street in London is like a little street with like some shops and everything, and then normally you hang stuff on the top of Carnaby Street like some lamps or lanterns or something. That's exactly what this does have here as well, but you can just see the wires up there. There's no lanterns, so...
But there's like French bakeries, and then there's like what looks like an exceptionally old style sweet shop that says purveyors of finest confectionery.
Oh, we
Like,
should get
how much more
sweets.
English can you get?
It reminds me of the shop in Cambridge. Oh, they have such yummy sweets. They have these like string ones, the red ones with the white stuff inside. Oh, that's so good. I had those in Cambridge. I love them.
I'm gonna get some sweets. Apparently.
This is what I'm talking about.
Candy cables. greasy food and ice cream and stuff. Come into Hong Kong Park, and they have a free aviary. So if you remember the one from Kuala Lumpur, which was massive, this one's a bit smaller. Ooh, there you go. Birds everywhere. But it's totally free. And it has lots of birds. Ooh.
From the top so that it doesn't okay, thank you.
Thanks. Look at this.
It's bigger than my head.
Yeah, it's bigger than a head. This is Oreos and it's shaved ice. So we're going to eat it now before it turns to liquid.
Hasn't even had it. I'm making a mess. What's it like?
So good.
It tastes amazing. It's like, oh yeah, it's like shaved ice. And look, it has cream and Oreo inside.